Hey guys, Justin Vandermark here, and we're going to continue with what is a story plot arc with our third installation of what is Climax. Climax is where the hero has to overcome the conflict that you've given him. This will lead to a new era or a new world, and this is where all the cool shots are made, right? All the action explosions and the best music. So let's continue with using the Iron Man as an example. The climax is where Tony Stark in his Iron Man suit swoops in and stands off against his ex-partner Obadiah Stane while he's in his Ironmonger suit. So we get this great action, right? Explosions, cars blowing up on the freeway. And then we get it when they're on top of the rooftop and glass is breaking. Tony starts getting beat up. And this part is where it leads to the climatic point. And the climatic point is where the hero gives it his all to defeat the villain at any cost. In Iron Man, it's where Tony Stark tells Pepper to blow up the giant Arc Reactor to stop Obadiah Stane, giving us the illusion that Tony will die as well. The climax also adds that the viewer gets to see the end of Obadiah and knows that the bad guy, the villain, has lost the battle. And then this will lead to the falling action. So for your homework, I want you to write down the climax. Where does your hero defeat the villain? Or in a non-action story, how does your hero overcome the main obstacle? Is there a choice that the hero must make? Write these all down, and that's your homework for this session. And I want to thank you guys for watching this video. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you next week for what is falling action. Thanks, guys.